Okay. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So here I am standing in front of you to teach subject verb agreement. It's very common topic and it's always comes in every competitive exam like SSC, CDS, NDA, whatever you are preparing for. So come, we have to study subject verb agreement. Look, this is subject. Subject एक तरह से सब what is verb? Verb is a helping verb. Earlier we have studied what is verb. Verb joining words are called verb. So here agreement also written. So agreement means in Hindi we say agreement means समझौता. समझौता. So we will study today subject verb agreement means एक वाक्य को कैसे हम समझौते के तहत उस सेंटेंस को करेक्शन कर सकें, उसको आज हम पढ़ेंगे. So we will study. So look. So before further I want to tell you some basic rules like article. You all have read about article in earlier classes like until the class 10th. Like article, there are two types of article, a and the. The article is definite. It's always known like definite article. The is always known like the English language, the German language, and these are. And a and the, it's are indefinite. It's common. It's you always find a and the, and where to use a and the means where the singular words are either one thing we use like so we are studying about I am and I was. You all know I am and was. I am and was. It's only in whole English we study only I am and I was. Never we say I. Whenever you want to introduce yourself, then we will introduce I am, I was. Never we will say myself, because why we are not introducing myself? Because myself is a reflexive pronoun, so we are not using myself. Okay, so here was and were. Was and were also. Was is always singular, and what were is always plural. So in subject verb agreement we always need was and were. What is was and were? Was and were means to say without was and were the sentence is incomplete. Now before this I want to tell you some common rules like he, she, it. It is a singular. You all know, but it's formality I am doing. He, she, it is singular, and I, we, you, they, it's plural. Okay, and now I am telling you some basic rules about has and have. Where to use has and have. You all are always confused about has and have in English. Where to use has and have. Look, and now within a point I want to tell in single word like has. Whenever you see a sentence it is in a singular, then always use has. And whenever you see a sentence in a plural, then we use have. Like has, he, she, it. In whole English, whenever you find in a sentence he, she, it, there we will has and have. Where you find I, we, you, they. There in sentence, whenever it's written I, we, you, right, put it there have. Like he, she, it, I have, we have, they have. Okay, and now we have to tell about has, he has, she have. Never we will tell I has. Never in English. This point should be in your mind that no, we will not say about I has. Okay, why we are not saying that thing? Because it's a singular and it's plural. Okay, and now very common point, much and many. Much and many. Look, many is a countable noun. We can count it. So, and many is always in plural form. Whenever you are doing the subject verb agreement in a sentence, always count, always put in mind that it's plural and many. We can count it. So that's why it's with many and much. Much is uncountable and it's always in singular. Okay, and now since we can since and for since period point of time since we can use like we can say example I live in GKP since 2009. I live in Jaunpur since childhood. Okay, now for period of time means I live in GKP for 10 years. I live in Jaunpur from childhood or anything. And now here but in but we always see any sentence, we are reading any sentence, then we find always but. What is but we can find in conjunction also and in preposition also. So here I am going to tell you about but in whole English you will find but whenever you are reading about but is in preposition sentence, when you will say, look, when the word is written, preposition is always in object form, like an object will be in noun or pronoun. in हिंदी we can say, ऐसे समझिए आप लोग, बट प्रीपोजिशन में जब भी रहेगा, प्रीपोजिशन के सेंटेंस में बट के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा, वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा वो नाउन रहेगा या फिर प्रोनाउन रहेगा. अब now we are coming to the point subject verb agreement. Now we are coming to the topic, like we have the example, like I have bread and curry. Bread and curry are very sweet, is or are. What we have to fill here? Bread and curry is or very sweet. So we have to find out about is or are. What we have to put here? Is or are. Look here, we are talking about bread and curry. What I have told in starting, that the subject, before this I sorry for that, I have not told you that the subject verb always, the subject is in singular. When the word is in singular, then its verb will be in plural. It should be in your mind while solving the subject verb agreement question. Like subject is in singular and verb is in plural form. So here bread and curry are two things. So we are using here are, like the mangoes, the plenty of the example, another example we are taking, the plenty of mangoes is or slash put it on table. Look here, you are seeing that plenty of mangoes. Here you are seeing that es and here is and are. So I have told you about when we are talking about the subject is in singular, then we use its is. So here we are seeing the mangoes, it's two things, यानी plenty of mangoes, यानी कई भी चीजें हो सकती हैं, तो we are using here are. Okay, so agreement basic rules I will tell you further on next. After this there is very vast subject of subject verb. So bye bye. If anything I have told wrong, sorry for that.